Hi, I'm Eric Allen at EdenBrothers.com, and today we will be talking about a major mainstay of perennial gardens. Also called purple coneflower, Echinacea is famous for two things. It's used in health remedies, and it's also a beautiful, dependable perennial native of North American grape prairies. With daisy-like flowers often 5 inches across with stiff stems, it's super cold hardy, all the way from zone 3 to 9. It may look delicate, but don't you believe it. Echinacea blooms from early summer all the way into fall. The sturdy plants grow to about 3 feet, with handsome deep green foliage. In this midsummer photo, you see Echinacea in full bloom with black-eyed Susans, which bloom a little earlier. When the Susans fade, the Echinaceas keep their color going for several more weeks. For seeds, Eden Brothers has your choice of the classic purplish pink or the other pure white native form called White Swan. And in spring, we have the roots too. Pink, white, and a multicolor mix of some of the newer colors. Since they're prairie natives, you can be sure they need full direct sun, and they're good in droughts. To plant the seeds, follow the method used for most wildflowers. Break up the soil well and deeply, since these plants develop large roots. Then scatter the seed on the surface of good garden soil. Don't cover them. Just press them down for good seed-to-soil contact, and water well. You can plant the seeds any time, fall, spring, or summer. But it does take about a year for them to reach blooming size. If you plant the seeds in the spring, you'll see just leaves the first year while they develop their roots. But the following year, you'll see big plants spring up with a whole bouquet of blooms. And after that, every year they'll be there like clockwork, with more and more flowers. If you begin with roots, you can expect mature plants and your first blooms the same year that you plant them. The Echinacea clan is one of the top long-blooming color markers for perennial gardens. So if you don't have them, now's the time. I'm Eric Allen for EdenBrothers.com, the seediest place on earth.